Welcome. If you want to change always on display theme in your XIAOMI Black Shark 4, at the first you have to simply open the always on display and the lock screen. When you are in the settings, then tap on the ambient display, and next we can change the theme right here. So as you can see, we can pick the default themes that we have on the smartphone. There's a lot of them, but you can also pick your own. So if you want to set up your favorite picture, click here, then tap to add picture from the gallery. And unfortunately I don't have any pictures that I want to apply, but I'm going to pick screenshot just to show you that it really works. So for example, I'm going to get screenshot from Call of Duty Mobile. Next we can also change position of that screenshot. So for example, we can put it here, or we can also resize to make it bigger. Like I can pick, for example, this hand with knife. Okay, just like that. When we tap here, we can also reverse colors, but let's stay with the normal. Here for sure we can change color of the captions, as you can see. So I'm going for that bloody color. Here we can change the clock position. I'm going to get it down. And here we can enable or disable battery and the notifications. Click apply to confirm and take a look right now. As you can see, our theme has changed. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.